Let's talk about Dubai rental yields, because a lot of you buy properties in Dubai as an investment seeking passive income. That passive income is obviously from the rental. You used to hear of numbers of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10% now and back in the day. But I'm here to expose the truth. Is that still the case? And unfortunately, things are not what they seem to be. When you buy a 2-bedroom unit in Dubai, you're usually paying about 2.4 million to around about 2.8 million. This is the average. Some cases you might be paying 3 million at a maximum. It takes about 4 years to hand over. People are buying it in off plan. And the reason is to avoid the interest, and the monthly payments might be more beneficial for them. For those individuals, rental is okay because they've already put the money in. They've already bared through the difficult stage. That money soon should start to return back to them. So that 9-10% makes sense for them. For the individuals that are buying it in another way, you could say on a mortgage, for those individuals, it's definitely not a good idea. If you're buying a property and then you're giving it up for rent and you're paying a mortgage off it, you are virtually making zero unless your unit is rented out at a very premium rate. What do I mean by premium rate? 140, 160, 180,000 dirhams per year. When do you lose out? Effectively when you're paying 120k per year. And unfortunately, this is where the 2-bedroom market is. It's 120k per year. So that virtually eliminates most of the market right there. So if you're buying on a mortgaged way, you're not going to get the 5 to 10%. Let's not forget the service charges. Service charges at the end of the year are almost 20 to 25,000 dirham. That means is that you're paying almost in the region of £5,000 in terms of service charges. So that 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10% ROI that you're looking at is virtually just going back in service charges. Now you'll be asking yourself the question, where can I make the money? There are some units in Dubai which are phenomenal for buying into, but you're not hearing of them. They are from other developers. They are from other developers which are not spoken enough about, but they have made a huge impact on the market, and those are where you can make your biggest gains. So whenever you hear about you should have invested in Dubai 20 years ago, you can invest with those developers as if Dubai was 20 years ago now. Those developers are here, they exist, and those developments are going on. The thing is that you're not aware of them. If you want to find what they are, join my WhatsApp channel. The link is in the description below. Now, these developers are the ones where you can actually make a huge ROI with. And even at the end of the year when there's a service charge, service fees that are going on, you can pay off comfortably, but you also have a net profit at the end of the day. I have done many numbers on this before. If you go back and watch my earlier videos, whereby I've discussed this, whereby getting a mortgaged property for giving out for rent is not a good idea. It's only a good idea if you're going to live within it yourself. Yes, then it's a good idea. Time where it makes sense is if you're buying an off-plan property. But again, when you're buying off-plan property, you're paying a huge amount per month, but also you're paying a huge amount every 6 months when it comes to the bullet payments. Anything can happen within 4 years. The time when it takes to hand over a property within those 4 years, those cash installments that you're paying every month, it's a huge amount. But that doesn't mean that you still can't get in. You can get into the real estate game, but you have to put your money in with the right developers. If you are an investor and you're looking to put your money in Dubai and you're looking for one of these developments whereby appreciation is still to be furnished by yourself, go with these guys. They're the best. They're the most risk adverse for you. If you buy something which is a 3 million and it's a 2-bedroom property, trust me guys, it's not going to go any further up. You might go 3.1, 3.2, but you're not going to get much of appreciation. With these other guys, they're already below market value. So you buy them cheap and they will appreciate. And as they appreciate, who's going to stand and get that appreciation? You will be. And also when it comes to the rental, in these areas, the rental is actually much more better. So when you think about it, who is the beneficiary at the end of the day? It will be you. When you're starting to get the money in the right areas, in the right place, you will start to feel what it is, how good it is to invest in property. See, property investment doesn't have to be expensive. It can actually be very fun, but you have to find the place to invest in first. As they say, location, location, location. But what I like to say is find the right development in the right location, the right time. So guys, if you want to find out what those developments are, join my WhatsApp channel and I'll share those details of what those developments are. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you're notified of all my videos that I'm publishing on a daily and weekly basis. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching.